Hi guys, today we learn about some punctuation marks. A comma is a punctuation mark that separates parts of a sentence. It can also be used to indicate a pause or break. For examples, George traveled to Spain, France, and Germany. A full stop is also known as a period. It's a punctuation mark that's used to end a sentence or indicate an abbreviation. For examples, eat quickly and leave. Turn left after the junction. Colon. The colon is used to set a word or phrase apart in order to give it emphasis or draw attention to it. For examples, I need several things from the store: eggs, milk, and bread. An exclamation mark is a punctuation mark used at the end of a sentence or phrase to indicate strong emotion, surprise, or emphasis. Example usage: Wow, that was amazing. Oh, that is excellent. A question mark is a punctuation symbol placed at the end of a sentence or phrase to indicate a direct question. For examples, she asked, "Are you happy to be home? What is the capital of Wales?" On the internet, pronounced at or at sign or address sign is the symbol in an email address that separates the name of the user from the user's internet address. For examples, john44@gmail.com, diana17@gmail.com. Apostrophe. A mark used to indicate the omission of letters or figures, the possessive case, or the plural of letters or figures. For examples, there are 2 8s in 808. In the contraction can't, the apostrophe replaces 2 of the letters in the word cannot. An ellipsis is a punctuation mark that consists of 3 dots used to indicate an omission or pause in a sentence. For examples, I went to the store, and then I came home. I'm not sure. Maybe we should wait and see. Quotation mark. Quotation marks are punctuation marks used to set off direct speech, quotations, or phrases. For examples, Alex said, "I am very tired." The policeman said, "Stop right there." Slash. A short diagonal line used between 2 words to show that either is applicable in dates or fractions, to express support, etc. For examples, do you want tea, coffee? I was reading the newspaper from 050721 Underline. An underscore or underline is a line drawn under a segment of text. For examples, the meeting will be start at 8 p.m. He ran quickly to catch the bus. Square brackets. Square brackets are used to add or clarify information in a sentence. They are commonly used in direct quotations.
Thanks for watching. For more English learning videos, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.